Hello, my name is Mariana Escalante, and this opportunity is for sing a song called I Don't Wanna Be You Anymore of Billie Eilish. I hope you like that. Don't be that way, fall apart twice a day. I just wish you could feel what you say. Shall never tell, but I know you too well. Got a mood that you wish you could sell. If teardrops could be bottled, there'd be swimming pool full by models. Tell the tight dress is what makes you up. If I love you was a promise, would you break it if you're honest? Tell the mirror what you know she's heard before. I don't wanna be you anymore. Hands getting cold, losing feelings, getting old. Was I made from a broken mold? Heart I can shake. We made every mistake. Only you know the way that I break. If teardrops could be bottled, there'd be swimming pool full by models. Tell the tight dress is what makes you up. If I love you was a promise, would you break it if you're honest? Tell the mirror what you know she's heard before. But I don't wanna be you. I don't wanna be you. I don't wanna be you anymore. Thanks for your attention.